Well, kind of a different video today. I've got this old drag in here, this chunk of drag, and my dad uses this, pulls it behind the lawnmower and kind of cleans up the driveway, smooths it out a little bit. But it's pretty old, and these spikes are all worn down to pretty much nubs. There's not much left, so I went ahead and I found some new ones. I got 40 of them, and yeah, they were like $1.76 a piece or something. I don't know, which was about the cheapest I could find them online, and I got them from Walmart.com of all places. So as you can see, the ones that are on there are pretty well worn. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to replace all these suckers, and should have a pretty good drag, I think. Alright, you can see this is the tooth on here, and this is how it's held in. It's just a nut. Of course, they're square nuts, so I won't be able to use the impact to get them off, but I just have to do it all by hand, I guess. And I should, I think, be able to reuse those just fine. And there's the old one, and you can clearly see the difference there. Quite a bit different. Hopefully these new ones will just pop right in. Oh yeah, I think they work good. I should probably change these to hex nuts, but I don't plan on replacing them again anytime soon, so I think a square nut will work just fine. Plus I don't think I have 40 7/16 hex nuts. There we go. Well, that ought to make a pretty good difference there. One down, 39 to go. Well, I got the first row here done, and it's looking pretty good. It's quite a big difference from the old little nubs that were on there before. As you can see, it's much more of a spike, but I gotta say, I like working on this older equipment. It's just made out of better quality steel. You know, these nuts had probably been on there for 80 years or so, and this thing sits out in the dirt and the mud and in the rain and the snow and everything, and these nuts just come right off. You don't have to use any heat or any penetrating oil or anything. They just had that much better quality steel back then. Nowadays you're lucky to have a bolt like this that you can even get off after 10 or 15, 20 years. And these things, easy as pie. So I'm going to go ahead and finish her up. I got one down, 4 to go, and I'll let you take a look at it when it's all done. Alright, there we go. I got all the new teeth on, and it went really well, and I was able to save pretty much all the nuts except for 3 of them I had to do some grinding on because they had actually been welded on, so I had to grind that off and then take the nuts off and put the new ones on. But it worked pretty well, so let's go ahead and hook it up to the lawnmower here and see how it drags. Alright, let's fire up one of these lawnmowers and see how that drag goes. Yeah, this one will do, I think. Hopefully it'll start. Perfect! So far, so good. I won't do the whole driveway because that'll take forever. But yeah, seems to be working all right. Well, I'd say that thing worked pretty good. I mean, it'd work even better if I get some weight on it, but yeah, I think it did all right. Ought to dig in pretty nice with a little bit of weight anyway. Sweet.